Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today I am going to start putting in the headliner, which I have got. It is right there, all rolled up. I have to unroll it. It's actually a plastic headliner and it's really cool. I was going to buy some material to cover it and I don't have it open. However, it's black already, and yes, it's plastic, but I think that's actually going to work out really good and I won't have to cover it. And depending on what the texture looks like and if I like it or not. But what I want to start doing is I got some more of this kill mat right here. And I want to start getting it on the roof in the car here. The reason being is it's going to be good sound deadening and it's going to help me to quiet the interior. So let me go ahead and get started on that. And I'll show you what I'm doing. And actually, before I get started on that, let me show you also what I've been doing. I got some stuff in and I got this... I got some trim and stuff put on the car. I got like these moldings here. So these are pretty sweet. And I'll show you how to put the clips on and how to snap this in. Currently I'm waiting for the trim on the other side to come in. But however, just thought I'd show you where I'm at with that. Okay, so I got my headliner here. It's all unrolled. And I'm actually liking the texture of this. So I think I'm actually gonna go with this here. So let me kind of show you what I started to do in the car. Give me just a moment. Let me get the light turned on in there. Okay, I got the light turned on in here so you can all see. So the first thing I did is on the back of the car here, I went ahead and put this trim piece in. It's going to be the longer of the two, and it goes in. And then there's 6 screw holes in the back here that this hangs on. I just put it in, and I put it on loose so this can move up and down. And I'll show you why I did that here in a second. And then also, if you see my roof, I didn't go crazy with the mat because honestly, yeah, the more you put on, the more it will make less noise. I wanted to save some for the doors so I get those finished, but also just this much here. This will quiet down quite a bit of the noise that you will hear from the roof and everything. But anyway, and then in the front here, I put this piece of trim that goes across. I put that on as well. Just because when I put the headliner in, you got to put it up in there first, tuck it in, and then tuck in the back. And then that will just kind of hold it into place while you get everything situated. So give me just a moment. Let me get you set up on a tripod, and I'll try to get some footage of this. Okay, so as you can see, I have the headliner in. It's not 100% in, but it is in. And then what I did is I put it in this front channel first, and I tightened 1 screw. And then I contorted myself in such a way, and then I put the back into here, and then tightened 1 screw. And then now it's held up. The next thing I did is I ran this orange wire, which is for the dome light. I ran this up into here. So it's just going to follow back here. Let me see if I can get a better view. It's just going to go back here behind this panel, up and then over into there. So the next thing that I need to do is I need to put this dome light on. And where that goes is once this panel's up in where it needs to be and everything, there's those 2 screw holes. It's hard to see, but there's 2 screw holes and the dome light just covers this. And that's what supports this middle section here. So give me just a minute and let me get that in and I'll be right back. It's pretty self-explanatory. Here's the bezel, put the bezel on. Comes with wiring, black and yellow. Black will splice into black, yellow will splice into the orange, which are down here, black and orange. No, black will go to the white, orange will go to the yellow. And then you just put that in. So let me get that in and I'll be right back. Alrighty, and there we go. I got the light installed. This headliner is pretty good to go. Now, yeah, we just gotta get to work on getting the rest of this in. So give me just a moment and I will be right back. Okay, so the next thing that I did is I got these rear seal panels out here and I got them cleaned up and I got to wipe down. They're starting to dry. I used just a little bit of this sprayway glass cleaner. That stuff is pretty awesome. It cleans it really good and it gets stuff off. But once I get the interior all back done and installed, I will go ahead and put the, I'll go ahead and go through it all with some Armor All and do a really good detail on the car and the interior. And I'm not sure, but this is what everything's looking like so far. I think it's looking pretty good. I really like this black. It's actually, it looks glossy because the light's bouncing off of it, but it's actually more of a matte black. Really like this panel a lot. Super nice. It's better than that cardboard one that I had. And in the future, if I want to cover it, it won't be very hard. I'll just have to take it out and then cover it. So give me just a moment here and I'll show you how to get these installed. Alrighty, so before I put the upper sail panels in, which are up here, I decided to go ahead and take this the back seat out and then just add some more of this soundproofing like you see here. And that's just to kind of soundproof a little bit more. So I did that. So now we will get on the sail panels. Okay, so I'm going to take the sail panel here, and these right here, they're going to clip in up here, like that. And then you're going to slide the whole thing back. And then the screws, I bought an interior screw kit, and it comes with every single screw that you need for the interior. So that's what I'm using here. And I'll just use these screws that come with it. And then you put 3 screws in. One's gonna go back here. One will be back here, one will be here, and then one will be up in here. So let me get that screwed in. Okay, so the next thing that I did that you didn't really see, because I didn't record, is I put this in. It's just 2 1/2-inch bolts in. And then you'll take this plastic cover here. These belts are broken. I will need to end up replacing them. But this goes up. It tucks under, back. Okay, so the next thing that I did was I put this door trim piece on. It literally just slides on. And then back behind the seal here, let me show you. Right, where is it? Right there. A screw goes in right there. So that's what I did. Literally it just slides on, and then that's where it goes. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this this trim piece that goes up here. I'm gonna be putting this in. It covers this pillar here, and it also tucks in behind this upper panel here. Oops. So I just gotta loosen this. So this can pull down. There we go. So it's probably hard to see because of that glare in that window. However, this This plastic piece slides over this pillar channel here. And then there's these clips here. There we go. Then you take a screw, put it in here, and then it screws it in. Oh, floor. There we go. There we go. And then we can tighten this up. There we go. And then we just got to jump on that other side over there and then do that one. Alrighty, so let's take a peek at the interior and see how she's looking. So I have all the trim up. The top is in. It's looking really good. Everything's up and in. All this is looking great. A couple things that I actually forgot to mention is, let me zoom in here. There's 2 holes in here. There's one here. And then there's one back up here. Let me see it. Right there. Hold on. Let me get a good view. I probably saw it, but anyway, there's 2 screw, one down here. So there's one here and one down here on these back armrests. That's an upper and a lower bolt. And then these just screw in as well. Unfortunately, I didn't have holes in mine. They were never screwed in. So I just drilled some holes and then put the screws in. So, and then I did the same over there. Got the screw down there and a screw up here. Yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. But it's looking good. Pretty happy. I can't complain. It's one step closer to being done. All right, well, everybody, that is a wrap for this video. I got most of the interior in. The rest of it is just pretty, you know, I got to slap the seats in, but I'll do that on a later episode because I'm going to actually be doing something a little bit different with the seats. But anyway, thanks for watching. I really like it. If you hit the thumbs up, that'd be great. And then hit that subscribe button. That'd be awesome as well. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and we'll check you all next time. Peace.